Okay, there's that. More. How am I going to pick this up? It's a little heavy. It's heavier than the Robox 3D that I returned. Oh boy. Accessories. And we all know what that means. Good stuff. Alright. Quick start guide. See, the other brand didn't have this. They rely on go on internet, and their internet video was very brief. It wasn't, and it was. I think their video was poorly made. It wasn't meant for a specific print job. It was just generalization. Speaking in general, like a product like this, you need some sort of documentation. You can't just rely on video. This is, what the heck is this? Flash drive. Oh, why is it so hard to remove? Cardboard. So this is, what the heck is this? If I could just, okay, all right, that's the USB drive. It looks like a credit card. That's neat. Let's see. And let's see. Let's ABS. You see it? ABS, and there's PLA. Power cable. USB. What's this doohickey? Cleanup tools. Okay. That's stupid. That's stupid. Who used that term anyways? That's that doohickey, sonny. Okay, Grandpa. Bed cleaning wipe. It's probably just alcohol. Is it? Is that it? Rubbing alcohol. You don't need anything special. Glass cleaner would work too. And that's it. And of course, the printer. Put this aside. Now, for the super prize. It's just like Zelda. Come on. Where's that music? Okay, I don't have that music. I don't have it. Da 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 da. Alright, there you go. Completely take it out. Oh boy, that's pretty strong and sturdy metal case. Okay, let's see some shots here. Yeah, it's let's see. Okay, that's probably okay. It's plastic. I'm not sure. I think I do know it's pretty strong construction, and that's where the smart spools go here. You can use third party. It just won't be smart. This is I guess this is where the ventilation. It looks like some sort of motor mechanism. Okay, that's the print head. That's the bed. Now they say this thing locks tight like a self-cleaning mode of an oven. It locks tight till it's done. One, on behalf prevent kids from opening it. I don't have kids. But two, it's just so it won't accidentally open if you. I don't know how you accidentally open, but it's just keeps the keeps you from getting burned. But I'd be willing to bet this cover also helps improve the print. I heard that if you shield the heat in, the print job would be better. So you want so it'd be cool evenly and or heat evenly, something like that. It's a nice one. That's about it really. There's nothing else to show. It's pretty much plain Jane in the back. Let me turn around this sucker. Okay, here's the rear. I don't know what that is. Let's see, let's zoom in. What is that? Is the lighting just bad? I can't tell. It's probably for an SD. It's a flash. Oh, it's flash. USB power. I think it's for maintenance. I don't know, but where? I think it's for maintenance. I think it's everything is going to be connected to the computer. It's not a. I don't think it has away from your computer technology. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna read up the manual. I'm gonna hook up in my desk, and I'm gonna film again when I'm ready. Some sample print. I'm gonna print something. Test it out. Yeah, it's a beauty. It looks really nice. It looks like a toaster oven or a sideways new wave oven, sort of. I was like, it makes pizza. Yeah, pizza bread. Oh, I could just put pizza bread. It's like, I'm tired of toasting, printing 3D. Yeah, I want some lunch. Ding! No, it doesn't do that. That'd be one hell of a product. Yeah, I'm convinced I'm gonna have success. It's well made, professionally made, and I watched countless videos of praises of the Cell Robox. I did tons of research. I mean, hell, I've even did a little research even at work. You know, kind of work and look at the same time. Hey, heck, as long as my job gets done, my boss is fine. Anyways, this has been a BGM Graphics. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more. Bye.